Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make your coffee shop successful. First, define your unique concept and target audience. A clear vision helps you stand out. Next, create a comprehensive business plan outlining your goals, strategies, and financial projections. This plan is crucial for securing funding and guiding your operations. Consider your startup costs, which can range significantly, and ensure you have sufficient capital to launch and sustain your venture. Choosing the right location is paramount for a thriving coffee shop. Look for areas with high foot traffic, easy accessibility, and ample parking. Once you have your spot, focus on creating an inviting and comfortable ambience. Your interior design should reflect your brand's personality and encourage customers to linger. Think about comfortable seating, good lighting, and a welcoming layout to enhance the overall customer experience. The heart of any successful coffee shop is its product quality. Invest in high-quality coffee beans and fresh ingredients for all your offerings. Craft a diverse menu that appeals to a broad customer base, including specialty drinks, pastries, and perhaps light food options. Crucially, hire staff who are not only skilled baristas, but also genuinely passionate about service. Excellent customer interaction can turn first-time visitors into loyal regulars. Effective marketing is essential to attract and retain customers. Develop a robust strategy that includes online and offline efforts. Leverage social media platforms to showcase your offerings and engage with your community. Partner with local businesses or events to expand your reach. Finally, implement a customer loyalty program, offering discounts or free items after a certain number of purchases. This encourages repeat business and builds a strong, dedicated customer base.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.